अपनी फेवरेट फिल्मों के बारे में जानने के लिए सब्सक्राइब कीजिए फिल्म कंपेनियन लोकल पर। बेल आइकॉन दबाएं ताकि आप एक भी अपडेट मिस न करें।
Hey, this is Mahip Kapoor. You are watching. I'm sorry. Now I'm.
Hi Mahip, hi Bhavna,
Hi.
Neelam, and hi Seema.
Hi.
Welcome to
Hi.
Bold People.
Thank you for having
you.
us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
अब बी यानी कि भावना ने हमें शो में बता दिया था कि I know Hindi. I'll never forget how you said that. I know Hindi. So I'm going to start with a really fun test for the two people I think might not be so comfortable. तो बड़े ही बेसिक होंगे. Mahip, Neelam, are you ready?
Ready.
मैं हिंदी बोल लेती हूँ जी.
Okay, it's just for Mahip. Mahip, you get 5 seconds for each of these. Apple को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं?
Tape.
Fantastic. Car.
Gadi.
Well done. Ring.
Anghuti.
Well done. Bouquet.
Bouquet. Pool. Pool. Bouquet.
Flowers.
Bouquet को क्या बोलते हैं? I don't know. What is bouquet?
Can I help?
Yes.
Yeah, I can help.
Guldasta.
Guldasta. Okay, Guldasta.
That's what you are, a fabulous bouquet of fantastic girls. और आखिरकार garden को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं महीप?
Garden को क्या कहते हैं? मैं तो garden ही बोलती हूँ.
हाँ, तो garden जा रही हो. It sounds good. Neelam, you know the answer.
बगीचा.
बगीचा, बाग. बिल्कुल सही. Well, now that we've got that out of the way, I'm here to do something really fun. मैं ऐसे 20 ख्याल या thoughts जो हैं वो करने वाली हूँ. Okay, to each of you. And these are the thoughts that we had जब हमने ये show देखा. So I'm going to start with you, Mahip. Okay, are you ready?
Ready.
अच्छा, तुम मुझे बताओ सबसे पहले रेखा कैसी है?
Rekha is the star. The star. She's very excited about the show, and she went to the market yesterday, and people are stopping her. So she's also absorbing it. You know.
बहुत बढ़िया. अच्छा, I want to take speaking. I want to take this to Neelam. Neelam, let me clarify this as a huge fan. मतलब मैं हूँ तुम्हारी fan, okay? So I will stand up for you. I will take up for you anywhere at any point in the world. तो ये जो millennials हैं, जिनको समझ नहीं आता है कि नीलम की क्या legacy है, उनको please बताइए. This is not an accent जो आज है या कल आया था. You were born with it, babe. Please इनको बताइए. Tell us the roots of नीलम ताकि लोगों को थोड़ा सा समझ में आए कि ये accent कहाँ से है.
ये accent जो है, मैं I was born in Hong Kong. मेरी पढ़ाई वहाँ पर हुई. फिर हांगकांग के बाद मैं बैंकॉक शिफ्ट हुई. तो हांगकांग में I went to a British school. बैंकॉक में I went to an American school. तो ये थोड़ा सा मिक्सचर हो गया है. And now this is my accent. तो एक चीज कहना चाहती हूँ कि आप लोग जो बोल रहे हैं ना, इन्हें नीलम का फेक एक्सेंट जो है ना, थोड़ा सा होमवर्क कर लीजिए, अच्छा रहेगा.
Let's take a moment. Mahip, I'm going to go back to you. आप बीच में क्या कहा था? आपके हाथ में क्या निकल के आया था?
Condom. And I don't know that in Hindi. What is a condom? Huh? I don't know.
Not even I don't know.
Not even we don't know.
Before you ask me, I have no clue.
Not at all. I just live to hear you say condom. You know, that's why I said this to you. Let me take this to Bhavna. Hi, B.
Hi, Ro.
I think the moment of the show हम सब था जब अनन्या ने कहा that she thought her name was Beep. You want to clarify this? लोगों को बताना है कि ऐसा था कि नहीं था, because I think that is really stuck on.
You know, beep वाला word मैं अपने बचपन में use किया करती थी. बचपन में, sorry, जवानी में. अभी पिछले 10 साल से मैंने ये शब्द इस्तेमाल करना बंद कर दिया है. Public platforms पे at least. But you know how children are. वो कुछ ज़्यादा ही honest होते हैं. And how much ever you try to be good, वो असलियत बता ही देते हैं.
Love it, absolutely. Seema, do you want to hear जो दुनिया तुम्हारे बारे में कह रही है? I'm sure there's a whole like Instagram boom जो हो रहा है, लेकिन I think that one of the most beautiful comments जो मैंने पढ़ा ये था कि खान फैमिली ने सीमा को इतने सालों तक कहाँ छुपा के रखा. She is the actual star of the परिवार. यार, give it up for सीमा यार.
Thank you. Thank you. नहीं, I'm not hiding, but
Yeah.
I've been a pretty private person. तो
Mhm.
अब तो नहीं है, तो I'm like out there for everyone to see. So yeah, I mean, what can I say? Thank you.
पर मुझे बताइए, is this the most public thing जो आपने किया है?
Yes.
Okay, और
Very
इसका-
public. This is I have put my life out there. I have put my home out there. I've put my children out there. I've put my whole life out there. It's a small little teaser preview to my life.
How lovely. ये कहते हैं ना कि Instagram is a very curated window to our lives, and I think this show is also just that. It is a curated and at the same time presented sort of front. So I just want to say that you still come off looking very, very fun. So that's important, right? That's the most important. But speaking of fun, let me take this to be. भी मुझे बताओ कि चंकी घर पे ऐसे ही कपड़े हमेशा पहनते हैं क्या? That's number one. Because that first shirt that he showed up in was so epic. मैंने कहा रणवीर सिंह इनसे इंस्पिरेशन लेते हैं. So please tell us about his personal home style.
I can only say this much कि मेरी दोनों बेटियों ने अपने सारे रंग जो सीखे हैं, कलर्स सीखे हैं, चंकी की कबर्ड से सीखे हैं, कोई किताब से नहीं. So I used when they were younger, मैं उनको चंकी की कबर्ड के पास ले जाती थी, खोलती थी, ये पिंक है, ये लाइट पिंक है, ये डार्क पिंक है, ये हरा है, whatever colors I had to teach them, I taught them through Chunky's clothes. So he's been actually very, very useful.
Fantastic, fantastic. मही, अब ये जो एक चीज जो आपने सिखाई है, it's become a national phrase. I don't think I'm saying it right also.
Shwai shwai. Shwai shwai. You have to say it like this also. Shwai shwai.
ये श्वाई कहाँ से आता है, मुझे बताओ.
Shwai shwai is an Arabic word and it means patient, slowly. So these women were driving me nuts. So I was like, shwai shwai, shwai shwai. Now, I didn't know it was going to become a thing.
And we wanted to make shwai out of her.
Really?
We were so fed
If
up.
she said that shwai one more time now,
Yeah.
like that.
B, you seem to be the sort of person, Shayad, and I could be completely wrong, who is the most difficult to convince to be on this show. But you have to tell me, कि इन तीनों में से या आप चारों में से, who took the longest to say yes for a reality show? मुझे बताइए.
No, it wasn't me. It was actually Neelam.
Neelam. It was Neelam.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was me.
I mean, Maheep and me, we were both like, in between. We were not
Yeah.
sure. Ki kare, nahi
Weighing the
kare,
pros,
yeah, and
cons,
cons.
Seema was
was
on board
like-
first.
Yeah. And Neelam was like the most difficult to crack, actually. Not us.
Okay.
Yeah.
And we know why, because she spoke about it. Maheep,
Yeah.
मुझे बताओ, ये India wants to know का सवाल है कि क्या ये binoculars सही में आपके जिंदगी का हिस्सा है या it was something fun जो यार शो पर अच्छा लगेगा?
No, I do have these binoculars. They are mine. I stole them from my dad years ago. And you know what? I have fun looking on the road and seeing people. Now, I don't want to discuss it more because I'm sounding mental. But they're mine. They're mine. I do this.
I'm going to take this at this point to Seema. अभी इतने दिन हो गए हैं, अब खुद like the Kardashians can take a page from our books ना, क्योंकि अभी हमारा खुद का एक show हो गया है. So has Kim Kardashian started following you or no? Because then she's not doing that.
Unfortunately not. The saga continues. Unfortunately not. I'm still waiting for that like and that reply. No such thing is happening.
यार Kim Kardashian जल्दी से करो यार, जल्दी से करो. You have to follow Seema Khan. What are you doing? I'm going to take this to Neelam. Neelam, I'm sure कि आपको social media से ये तो पता चल गया है कि the first reaction of many of those fans in the 80s and 90s has pretty much been, हाँ man, she looks the same. और हाँ man, मतलब ये कैसे ऐसे दिखती है? और फिर I was a little, I personally, मैं अपनी बात कर रही हूँ, a little upset about the fact that you had to go to a doctor, you know, to get something done to your face. You know, how did that make you feel about it? मुझे personally बताओ, क्या ये जरूरी था?
Yes, zaruri tha. Kyunki I know that women my age, okay, I've not lied about my age on the show. And believe me, like my friends who are my age, we're always discussing, should we get fillers? Should we do Botox? Should we do this? And there's this whole debate about also which doctor to go to. You know, what should we get done? We're so scared if it goes wrong. And I think, I mean, a woman of 50 would be lying if this thought hasn't crossed their mind. And I just felt that why not? You know, go out there and discuss it and be open about it. There's nothing to shy away from it. Yes, I mean, did I need to do it? People are probably saying, I've got friends calling me up and saying, why did you have to do that scene? My whole thing is, why not? Why not be honest? The whole show is about having fun, being honest. We're making fun of ourselves. We're making fun of each other. I just feel the whole show, you know, take it positively.
Correct, absolutely. Just lots of love, and you know, when that scene came, I mean, I was literally, I couldn't watch it. I said, no, because anyway, मुझे needle से बहुत डर लगता है. But I remember this distinct reaction. I think that's really important.
But you know something, that was the first time I actually did it. That was the first time I've actually done a filler. And I did very little, to be honest with you. But I just wanted to know how it'll look, what it'll feel like. So, and women should know, you know, why not?
Yeah, you know, मेरे हिसाब से one of the most important things about why this show is needed, और you know, लोग पूछते हैं इस शो की जरूरत क्या है. मैं बताती हूँ शो की जरूरत क्या है. ये narrative, you know, of fabulous women post their 40s हमारी country में exist नहीं करता, you know, and it's a weird thing क्योंकि हम कहीं ना कहीं अपने से छोटे या अपने से बड़े, and there's a lot of emphasis जो youth को दिया जाता है, but somehow, you know, if you don't fall into that youth bracket, you kind of, for some reason, we just ignore or just assume that they don't exist. तो मेरे हिसाब से इस वजह से Bollywood wives, या fabulous wives as I call them, exist करना जरूरी है. So that was my TED talk, ladies, in defense of the show. Let me tell you that.
Very good one, though.
Yeah,
True.
thank you.
Yeah.
Thank
Important.
you. अच्छा Mahip, I don't know if you know this, but internet पर एक बहुत बड़ा जो एक lobby है शुरू हो गया है. It's called the We Love Sanjay Kapoor lobby. और इसमें हम सब t-shirts बना रहे हैं. And proud to be चेंबूरकर हमने लिखा है. So आप तक ये बात पहुंची है.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, I've said this before. When you're married to a man for 25 years, you know, sometimes the jokes become very stale. So I don't laugh at his jokes at home, but I forgot that he is quite funny and people are reacting to him. So it's all good. It's all good.
What I learned.
Sanjay, are you listening? Sanjay, are you listening?
I will show this to him.
No, I think what I learned the most about this is the fact that how many times you get to say be quiet.
Yeah.
Be quiet is amazing, you know. जितनी पत्नियों को ये बोलना है अपने पतियों को, you know, because I think husbands have a husband sense of humor. Okay,
Absolutely.
It's completely different from a wife's sense of humor. Okay, it's not catty. It's actually quite flat. It's quite on the base, and it's quite like really, you know. And then you say, "Be quiet." I absolutely. I want to ask you, Kate. You know, this is a sort of first brush. I mean, in this time, of course, with this sort of like adulation, whatever. तुम्हें लगता है कि it's something that you were ready for, and do you think that this is the sort of right time? How are you managing the fact that now suddenly there's more than 2 stars in the same house? Yeah, हमें बताओ.
Loving it. You don't understand how much I'm loving it. कुछ attention मुझे भी दे दो घर में.
Milk it, Bhavna, milk it.
Really, man.
Milk it.
I'm enjoying it so much. You know, more than love and adulation, it's also the pride
Yeah.
that is, you know, with my family, my both my daughters who are like, "Chal, mama, idhar jao." There's lot of pride also happening there, and with my parents. So I think that is making me feel so happy.
Like, I tell you this for sure कि हिंदुस्तान में ना हमें आदत नहीं है कि हम औरतों के मुंह से गाली सुने. And I think अपने आप में एक बहुत ही sexist problem है, you know, because अगर equal rights कहते हैं तो, you know, how have you navigated this? Because कहीं ना कहीं, you know, you always stood out for being who you are. Okay, more so on the show because more and more people are getting to know who you are. Did that come to you at any point कि अरे बहुत गाली देती है यार? And how did you react to that?
My reaction is the same as while we were doing the show. This is me. I can't be anything else. And I make no apologies about it. Because if I was something else and if I was pretending to be someone else, it would have fallen flat. So I've said it in the show, I'm mean to you if I like you.
Ooh.
So yeah. So my friends get me. If I'm abusing them, then they're fine with it. The minute I'm polite, they're very, very scared.
Oh my God.
So,
Yeah.
I must just say, I've never said this to anybody, लेकिन मैं बस wait कर रही हूँ कि कब महिप मुझे गाली देगी. Thank you so much for giving me that
Thank you.
absolute.
thank you.
Thank you.
This was fun.
Thank you.
This was loads of fun.
Really sweet. Thank you.